so today I'm with my bestie and we're travelling on UK server.
Yeah, that's this one.
Yeah, this is her. Oops. Oh my god, this girl's like trying to expose me. But then, look, I told her my YouTube channel and then she said it's not right.
What did she want? Might have this other girl's password.
And we're doing some trolling and we're trying to get some people's accounts, but we're going to give it back to them straight away. So, we're not going to change the password or anything. Hello, whoever you are. Okay, so I'm going to ask this girl. Ha ha ha, you're a joke. Thanks. Oh yeah, we could do. So right now she's on her, oh my god, she's right next to me, and she's on her iPad, my best friend of course. What does that mean? Like, got it on each. Dog. Thank you.
Dog.
Okay, sorry, I'm back. My sister was just being really annoying. She kept copying me, so if you have that. So I'm gonna go on this girl's name. Level 18. Oh my gosh. Cool. Thanks again. Okay, right. She's gonna see if she can. My best friend here is gonna see if she can hack some of people. Let's come chat me.
But she can't. Because I'm on an iPad and it's really stupid on my iPad.
Hi.
My plan is to get a boyfriend, get him to give me some gifts.
It's basically use your boyfriend.
Yeah, and then that's what you need to do. Try and get to know people.
Wait, I'm just gonna go on my name. Okay then. You do you.
Oh, this weird.
Okay, I'm just gonna go.
Gave me an autograph.
I got that from some weird yellow haired girl. So let's
It's a
Mummy Sarah. Hello, Mummy Sarah. Oh, okay, so my best friend's gone. She had to go home. And so I'm just going to be here doing this. This girl has not replied to thanks again, so she probably gave up. Or offline. Please auto spelling boost, no. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, that's her. Like she's gonna fall for this, but I'm gonna write hi. But she might be done. So if you are watching this and Goodbye. Okay then. Oops. Do you want to swap? Oops, swap account. Oh, no. Yeah, I don't know why I delete it. Oh my. Hopefully. Oh my. Okay, so that's finally been sent. I might do a part 2 of this trolling. By the way, go add me. It's XOXQT Marshmallow XX in UK server. Help me level up because I'm only level 4 and I started this today. Not this one, but I have 2 backups. Whoops. Don't know why I put double S, but oh well. Oh, I need to do something. So, okay, I am back. So let's get back to the trolling again. I'm probably not going to be touching, but I'm just going to be saying some of the stuff in chats. So, oops, I almost thought that was a joke. So yes, I think I'm going to end this video here. Please like, subscribe, and comment nice things. You don't have to, but thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!